Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Kawasaki VULCAN 500 Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Kawasaki VULCAN Limited with 6,958 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a passenger backrest and a luggage rack. Powered by a 498cc parallel twin engine, the Vulcan puts 50 horsepower and 32 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4-gallon fuel capacity, the Vulcan has a 180 to 200-mile range. It has a 28.1-inch seat height and a 471-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted, the front brake lever and shifter are bent. Additionally, the chain is too tight. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are dents on both sides of the fuel tank, a paint blemish on the rear fender, a tear in the rider's seat, and scratches on the right side cover. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.